Hello happy people, Hamza here and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a checkout page just like this for your hotel booking website. And it will of course list all the booking details, the accommodation type someone is booking, number of adults that are booking that specific room, and the name of the guest over here. It will also display the charges or the rates and also the additional services someone can add on their booking, and they can apply a coupon in case they have one. And right down here it will break down all the prices for that specific booking of the client, and they will feed in here their name and information and of course book the room. To create this kind of checkout page, of course you're going to head back to your dashboard and we're going to create a page. We're going to come to pages and we're going to say add a new page, and we're going to name this page checkout. And I'm simply going to publish the page, and after publishing I'm going to add here a shortcode. So this is a shortcode that is made by the hotel booking engine that displays all the details for a specific booking at the checkout. So I'm simply going to come back to the dashboard. I'm going to come to accommodation and I'll go directly to shortcodes, and under the shortcodes below the checkout form there is this shortcode here. Simply copy that shortcode, come over here to your checkout page. I'm going to add a block for the shortcode, and I'm going to add that shortcode right in there, and I'll simply update. Once I update, now I can preview my page. Now this is our checkout page called checkout. Next thing I'm going to do is simply come back to our accommodations, and I'm going to go straight to settings, and under settings I'll come directly to the checkout page option, and I'll have to select our checkout page that we have created, and I'll simply update my page by saving changes. Now what I'm going to do next is of course try to make a booking. For example, under accommodations I can come over here and try to check for a room. For example, under the deluxe room I can check its availability, for example all the details over here. I can hit in the dates when I want to stay at this room, maybe just one night for one adult. I can check availability, I can say book, then I can say confirm reservation, and automatically you see we are taken to the checkout page that we created. And of course it's listing all the details over here, including the page title, which is the checkout. You can of course disable the page title from appearing, but of course this is what I wanted us to have. And then the booking details over here, the accommodation, the guest details, and over here you can choose the ratings, add additional services, use a coupon, the price breakdown over here, and all the other details. And finally your guest can book your accommodation just as it was right here before. So in a nutshell, that's how you can create a checkout page for your hotel booking website.